Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about methods and attributes and Python object-oriented programming. Let's start. What is a method? A method is just a Python function that does something. A callable attribute defined in the class. Every method is attribute, but not every attribute is a method. Remember this. What is an attribute? It is just any object value. Okay? Let's see an example. For care, every object has some method, do something, function, and the procedure, and property, just attribute or state. Let's look at this example. There is an error here, must be underscore underscore. This is a class of student, This is a constructor here, self, which takes self, name and age. Self, I'm gonna to talk about self in the next video. Here, our name, age, balance, credit. This is credit and balance are attributes, but this is function here is a method. It is a special type of method called instructors. I'll talk about it later. If we want to use this attribute, I'll type object.attribute. Here, I'll take object from our class student here equal to student, and I'll give it name and age. Then if I type s.balance object.attribute, this is object.attribute. This is our attribute balance. Will give us the value of attribute, and this is .credit will give us the value of credit. Okay, but the full method is the full here. This is a method. Let's try this in our Python shell. Here. I'll type here class student. I'll define our constructor here, which takes self, name and age from us. I'll type self.name equal to the name and self.age equal to age, and I'll type self.balance equal to 0 and self.credit equal to 50. I'll save this. If we run our code here, I'll take an object from our class s equal to student. I'll give him the name argument Mahmoud, and I'll give it the age argument 22 here. If I type s.balance, we can see the 0 because I define it here with 0. This is an attribute. Okay, and if I type s.credit, I'll get 50 because this is here. This is an attribute. This is an attribute, but this is the full method. The full constructor here is a method. This is the difference between methods and attributes or properties. The attribute is just a value of something, but the method is a function, a Python function like this. Okay. In the next video, I'll talk about self, which we seen it in this video. Hope you like this video and see you next one.